Hi guys, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad. Today we are unboxing JBL C100SI. These are in-ear earphones, and I got this off of Amazon for $698. Well, I think there was offer, so now it's like something like $799 or something. So let's get to the main part, unboxing. Where do I cut it? There you go. So there's the earphones, and they've got three sizes, different sizes of ear tips, and these are wired earphones, because you might have seen my other unboxing video of the OnePlus 6, and you know what, it is headphone jack, so why not? So that's the earphone. Let's keep it aside for a second. What do we have here? Some paperwork and some more paperwork. By the way, JBL earphones are made by Harman, so that tells you a lot about clarity and quality. So let's see how the quality of the earphone is. I'm not talking about the sound quality, I'm talking about the build quality. So it looks pretty sturdy to me. It comes with inbuilt mic and a universal button that allows you to attend calls and change music, pause, play music, then reject calls even. So let me try it out. So is that right? Okay. By the way, it's got right and left written on it, if you can see. So I don't know if it's visible. Anyways, let's try this on. Okay, that is a very good fit, as you can see. Fits nicely, does not fall away. So let me just play some music on my phone and try it out. Okay, so let me just plug it into this phone. This is a Moto G. You guys will be thinking, where's OnePlus? Well, I'm recording on it, so not possible. So let me plug that in nice and tight. Okay, now I'm gonna play some music. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's very loud. Like, totally, I cannot hear anything right now. Very good noise cancellation, very good sound. Okay, that is very good. So one another feature I liked about this one is that the mic is very close to your mouth. Like, if you put it on like that, as you can see, it's right here, so it's good. It picks up a lot of noise easily, and which is a great thing. Unlike many other earphones that I've seen, like the ones that come with your phone. See, for this example, Moto G, the mic is here. So this much gap is there. Also, these does not have the rubber tips towards US a lot. This one is very good to use. So my review so far, it's a very good earphone, worth the money, worth the $800. And also there is a tip here to maintain. So you just have to take whatever length you want and you can just adjust it accordingly. On this much, then that much. If you have more, I click more. If I put like this, it'll stay there, and then I can just put this in the pocket, and it's fine. And also I can use this to play the music. So that's how. Also you can change the ear tips easily. These you have like two ear tips here and one tip installed. So that's a wrap. So guys, if you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, you know where the button is. So do share, subscribe, and show some love. Let the new channel grow.